Sunday, May 25th, and we have a pontoon boat coming down the river. It's like about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people on it. Water's pretty high, so they shouldn't have any trouble with rocks or anything. Yesterday there was a fishing boat went up the river to go fishing, so it's kind of cool to see the pontoon boat. You don't see a lot of them on the river because usually what happens is that it gets too shallow and the rocks start sticking out in the summertime. But we've had, like last week we had 5 inches of rain, so we got all kinds of rain now. So we got the pond set up. We got our little pond here. Well, we got the water coming out here, and it also comes out right there. You can see it coming out. And then the two little streams meet here, and then they run down across under this little bridge, and then they run out onto the pond. The little pond. It's not a very big pond. And then there's a stream there. And another little bridge. And then it runs back to the river. So, it's about 70 degrees today. Put all the plants out, all my plants out, my house plants, and now I've seen where it's going to possibly get down to 35 tonight. So, I'm not sure what I'm going to do about that. If I'm going to bring them back in. I might have to bring them back in. Because they're like, some of these are like pretty sensitive, I think, to cold. Oh well, I'll just bring them back in. The wind completely stopped blowing. It's a beautiful day to plant, so I got my cucumbers planted and my zucchini. All planted. All in the ground. And watered. Tomorrow I'll plant the tomatoes. So if you like this video, hit like and subscribe. Have a wonderful day, and God bless you all.